What's going on, you guys? My name is Mike. This is Wall Street Traders, where we break down hot trending stocks to put you at an advantage on the market. Alright guys, next up is NIO, or ticker symbol NIO. You guys, I have my lines and graphs already set, that being the daily interval. This allows us to find the trend and our support and resistance lines, our entries, all that good stuff, you guys. So let's go ahead and dive in. So the first thing I want to announce is that NIO has a earnings report today. NIO has a earnings report. So what does this mean? That means that it's going to be probably a lot more volatile than it usually trades as, okay? Let me go ahead and have a look at the volume and see what the volume looks like. We're at 191. Okay, it's above the 150 that we want. Our trend line, it's starting to break under this trend line, so that means it's starting to try to create a reversal, or other words, create a downtrend. We look at the RSI, it is kind of oversold and is pulling back. So these are a lot of red flags showing that we might be pulling back. So the only thing that bothers me is that we're above this resistance line. So before it was working as support on this line, but since we gapped under it, now it's going to work as resistance. So it's going to have trouble breaking past this area. So as for right now, what you should do is just wait for a further confirmation to see the actual direction that we're headed. Let me just break down to the 1 hour and see something really quick. So, okay, so the 1 hour doesn't really show the pre-market, does it? Oh yeah, it does. 41.66. So we're right. I mean, technically we're still right on this support. You could get in, it would be kind of aggressive, but if you did, just have your stop loss under this 40.41 area. So if we do drop below that area, we know that we're starting this downward trend, and you'll be able to get out and wait for a better entry, that being the next level of support. If that does happen, I'll make another video on exactly where we could be pulling back to. But as of right now, on the 1 hour, it shows that we are still above this resistance line, so that is a good sign. I thought we were actually really below it. Let me go back to the daily. I mean, it's so crazy on the daily, it does show, but I guess on the 1 hour, this is the difference that it makes when you break down to a smaller time frame. So you guys can see that we're just kind of consolidating and bouncing right on this line. So it shows its relative strength, okay? So if you were to get in right now, I don't really see a problem with it as long as you have your stop loss below the 40.36, you guys. So I'm going to be putting this out way before 9:30, so hopefully you'll be able to catch this trade today, you guys. If not, it's okay. We always find opportunities in the market, so if you did miss that, like I said, there's other stocks that you could look into. So just be very, very careful trading today. I usually don't trade nothing when it has a earnings report, just because how volatile it ends up being, you guys. So you'll see the volume difference when it starts getting closer to 9:30. But other than that, you guys, I like to make these videos really short and simple and efficiently. So if I did, please hit that like and subscribe button. We just hit 2,000 subscribers, you guys. I'm going to make a video on the journey of Wall Street Traders, on how we're going to be getting all new equipment, you guys. We're going to be going the whole 9 yards. I'll be even trading live every morning for you guys, starting with either $1,000 or $2,000. I haven't decided yet, just to show you guys that yes, you can do this. Yes, you can apply these fundamentals, and they do work. So other than that, I hope you guys have a beautiful day and happy trading.